Jasper, and today it's just a bike update on the bikes. So first I'm going to look at this Caliban Carbon Ferric 4250 grip shifts concept. Sounds and looks expensive in its time. Found it outside of the back of a pub. They let me keep it. I was asking about this bike and they said, yeah, you can have it, get rid of it, we don't want it. So I was like, yes, I will take it. So I took it home and yeah, I've done nothing to it yet. It's all out of line and that, probably from where it's been sat in a garden and then instantly used again, probably. It's probably one of them giveaways. And then the Rally, it's got rigid forks off a pro bike, and a BMX wheel and a stump peg. I think this looks pretty sick, so hopefully it's going to stay. But actually I think I'm going to have to give it back to my mate because his parents don't like it. And I'm getting 2 stump pegs for manuals and that. It's got big bars as well and that. I'm putting BMX forks, BMX bars, BMX headset on it. So that's going to look pretty sick. And last but the best, the Carrera Vulcan. I've got a new hanger coming for it. The derailleur is okay. It's just probably gearing problems. I've got, hold on. I can't have forks this soft. Sorry, but I can't have forks that are so soft like that. Them forks are ridiculously soft. So until then, I've got some RSTs, and these zooms are for, I think, the bike I'm getting, the manual machine, or they're for the Caliban. I think I'm going to put them on the Caliban, so I'll have like a mountain bike thing. Gears work and everything like that, you know. So, if I do anything today, I will show you in another video later. Thanks for watching. If this is the end of the video, thanks for watching, peace out. But if it isn't, carry on watching, enjoy the video. So guys, I'm finished up today. I put the RSTs on the Carrera. It was quite a fiddle, as the that thing there was all kind of like, it's all stiff inside there. Look, as you can see, it's all rusty. So it's got carbon fibre spacer on and that stuff like that. Tomorrow I'm going to connect the brake and collect 2 bikes if I'm allowed. And I picked up the manual machine. That one inside there. And let me just go into the other room. I mean the other place, the indoor thing. And here are my old RockShox. I've got this pair of Zooms that are not very good, but they're not that bad either. They're not the worst, they're not the best. I'll put some oil in them, see what happens. Got some Apollo ones behind there as well. And I've got some RockShox, some sort of other bikes, I don't know. Don't know what I'll do with them. Probably sell them. I'll go for some oil, I guess. So yeah, that's it for today's. Oh, my oil's out there. And my multi-tool, and my spanner. Bloody hell. Oh, and I need these. Oh my god, I really need them. And my multi-tool. Put that in my pocket. And the oil, I'll put in the indoor toilet. Thanks for watching today's video. Peace out.